are going to make chicken pasta. This pasta recipe is real easy and quick, and the ingredients are also very simple. So the first thing you will need is some pasta. You can use any sort of pasta. Today I am using penne. Then you need some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, some chopped chicken sausages. You can use chicken breasts as well, and some chopped coriander. Then you need some sort of pasta sauce. Instead of this sauce, you can also use tomato puree. And then you need some cheese. Well, you can make this recipe totally vegetarian by just skipping the chicken part as well. So the first thing you need to do is boil your pasta. You can boil it for 5 minutes, recheck it, and then boil again for 5 more minutes. And then you need to heat your oil. So in a pan, take some oil. Today I am using olive oil, and let it heat. Once your oil is heated, then add your onions to it and fry your onions until golden brown. Once your onions are fried, then add a little scoop of ginger garlic paste and mix it well and let it fry. Once your onions and ginger garlic have combined nicely, add your tomatoes and let it all combine once again. Once it's all done, then you need to add a little pinch of pepper and another pinch of salt and mix it so that it gets a nice flavor. Now you need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of any of your sauce or tomato puree, whatever you're using, and mix it well. Then add your chopped sausages. Mix it well so that all your sausages get the flavor of the mixture. Then to cook, just cover it with a lid. Once it's all cooked, then you need to add your boiled pasta and mix it nicely. After mixing, garnish with some coriander leaves, mix it again and then cover it with a lid and let it cook for a while. Now our pasta is ready. You can just serve it like that if you want to skip the lasagna part. But then if you want to make the lasagna, all you need to do is put a layer of pasta on a microwavable bowl and then just grate cheese over it. Grate like a lot of cheese so that you get that cheesy flavor. And then you need to again add a layer of pasta and a layer of cheese. Keep doing this until all your pasta gets over. Now you need to microwave your lasagna for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not microwave more than 3 minutes as it can harden your pasta and cheese. So our chicken pasta lasagna style is now ready. Just cut, serve and enjoy.